G'day DIYs, I'm just drilling out my holes for these towel rails in this bathroom. This is the only place that the towels can go. I'd probably go a couple of hooks here, but you come out of the shower here, there's nowhere else. There's going to be a bath there. There's no room there, vanity's going there. I'd probably have a couple of hooks if it was me. But anyway, they are wanting the towel rails here. So that's what they're getting. Now what I've found here, everyone, is don't drill too fast. I have yet to find a really good porcelain bit. If anyone knows of one, gives a yell. But I've sort of got to go sort of slow. So what I'm doing is I've just started, and now I'll give them a bit of water. And that seems to be working all right. So that's going into a bit of timber. That's cool. Oh, nice. I've already drilled those ones. I've burnt out, well, 4 handrails or towel rails, a soap holder, that's about it. And I've gone through 3 of these. This is my 4th. Is it still holding up? Is it still holding up? I hope so. One more hole. Bit of water. I'm poking out my tongue. You gotta hold your mouth. Hold your mouth right. Go Oh. I like what I see. That's good. We'll slap that sucker in. I'm pretty sure there's timber there, but we'll put that sucker in anyway. If it doesn't go right in like that, that's easy. Just cut it off. Pull out your Stanley knife. Good one. Good one, Charlie. Oh, look at that. This is the best thing since sliced bread. Right, let's just in my little box of tricks. The owner's going to be giving me a lift in with the vanity shortly. I think he's at the gym. Da, 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 da. Screw it in. Watch where that goes so I don't lose it. Don't round it, Crusoe. I'll come back to that with a, I'll get a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get a couple of different screws. What have we got? There. Yep, that'll work. I'll do it up here. Oh, they're a better screw I'm using. Oh. Let's unscrew that. You get supplied with some crappy stuff from time to time. One there. Oh, nice. Right, where's my other? Oh. your full chryso, they're still bloody in here. Look at that. I thought, oh no, I've lost them. But no. Seeing I've got this in my hand, let's just put the sucker in. Change my whatnot there to, look at that. Oh, way better than fiddling around with a fillet, with a Allen key. Beautiful. When you're a tiler and a chippy, everything gets centered, you know? Always even. You must always be even. Symmetrical. Another couple of screws, and then I'll give that a wipe so it dries out so I can silicone it. Nice! Wow. I'd have it. Always the grub screw to the bottom. DIYs. Fit it on like that. Did I kick over something? Nice. Oh, nice. Nice and solid, screwed in properly. I'll be able to come down there with my silicone, it's good. Right, I'll just give that a bit of a wipe so it has time to dry. like so. Right, what's my next thing I've got to do? That can be drying. Let's cut down these doors and I'll fit my doors. That's good, people. DIYs, that's how you do it. Those pencil marks, they'll just wash off. Stay tuned to Chriso. We'll see you soon.